So previously we have seen that how we can render a list in React. So here we have a list of books and we have rendered that, and you can see we have this output with the name, author and the pages of the book. Now everything looks fine, but if we look in the console, so in the console we are getting this warning: each child in the list should have unique key prop. So in React, whenever rendering a list using the map method, so that each individual item needs a unique identifier, and this is required to avoid warning, and it will help React efficiently manage updates to the UI. So the key will provide each list item with a stable identity, so that React can track any changes, additions or removals to the individual items. So here we can add one key prop. So the key can be any value. We have to just make sure that the value is unique. So normally we should use one ID to the key prop. All the books has the unique ID. Now here we can add book.id as the key property, and now you can see our warning has gone. Now all of the list items has the unique key property. So the question is, why keys are needed? So here you can see we have 3 books in the list. Now to uniquely identify them, we need the key prop, and the key should be unique so that React can identify which list item had changed or added or removed. So this plays a crucial role in updating the UI efficiently. So this way React can only modify one specific list item rather than re-rendering the entire list. So this approach will help React preserve the structure of the UI, and this way it can avoid unnecessary re-renders. So in summary, we can say that keys are very essential for optimizing list rendering in React, and also it improves performance when dealing with dynamic lists. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.